In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a snap on Snapchat. Now, if you're new to Snapchat and you just don't know how to send a snap or what even is a snap, snap is basically when you take a picture and then you send it to a friend. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So first, what you want to do is open up Snapchat. If you don't have it already, install it from the App Store or Android Store. And once you're here, you need to be on this camera icon that's right in the middle. And basically from there, you can play around with filters, you can choose the back camera or whatever. And let's say I want to send this as a snap. I first click on the button to take the image, and then you can share it to your story. You can send it to somebody, so as you can see, you can choose who you want to send it to. And the left option is that it's saved to your image gallery. So when you send it to an image gallery, you can then easily send it on someone like WhatsApp, Instagram, or whatever. And that's basically it. If you want to send another one, just go back, click on the same thing, send to, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.